To get a Capital One virtual card, you need to have an existing Capital One credit card account or apply for a new one. Start by logging into your Capital One online account or downloading the Capital One mobile app. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for one on the Capital One website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings or the credit card section, where you will find the option to add a virtual card. The virtual card is also known as an ENO card, which is a digital version of your physical credit card. To add the virtual card, click on the Add or Get ENO card option. Then review and agree to the terms and conditions. After agreeing to the terms, your virtual card will be created and you can view the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use your virtual card to make online purchases, and it works just like your physical credit card. You can also add the virtual card to digital wallets such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. One of the benefits of using a virtual card is that it provides an extra layer of security for your transactions, as the card details are not stored on the merchant's website. Additionally, if your virtual card is compromised, you can easily lock or cancel it without affecting your physical credit card. It is essential to keep your virtual card details safe and secure. Just like your physical credit card, make sure to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Capital One immediately. In summary, getting a Capital One virtual card is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. The virtual card provides a convenient and secure way to make online purchases, and it is an excellent option for those who want to add an extra layer of security to their transactions.